G'day, I'm Liam McBride, Crown Resorts Maximo Solution Architect. In this training video, we're going to go through how to create a purchase requisition. Purchase requisition is a standard application within Maximo. It allows an employee to request some items, some material, services, without understanding the complete purchasing cycle. They don't have to be aware of what vendor it goes to or what contracts are there. Doesn't allow for the approval of costs, but what it does do is it gives the employee a way that they can enter a request and have their supervisor forward that on to the purchasing department. Purchasing requisition can be created by going to the application, purchase requisitions. You can also use the quick insert to cut out a few steps and go straight to the new page. As you can see, certain information will default, such as the PR number, the site, and the status. In Maximo, the site delimitates what data you have access to. This particular user is in the Sydney site. Some users may be across multiple sites. To change sites, click the icon at the top here, go to default information. As you can see, it'll request this user, but you could change that if you're creating it on behalf of someone. Mandatory fields will be marked with an orange cross. We're going to save this record. And you can see Maximo let you know it's saved. If you don't enter mandatory data and save the record, you'll be prompted to do so. A red X will appear in the section and at the top. So, PRs don't have to be fully complete because they're not approval of costs. They don't go out to vendors. So we'll hit the Route Workflow button and see what validation kicks in. Now the PR lines, a line will indicate what you're actually after. The PR itself is the header and the lines are the individual items you want to buy. Our current validation rules are you must have a line. Validation rules will change over time as Crown's usage of the application gains maturity. You can enter several line types. Material just means that this is an item that you don't stock. So I'll just enter a test and again hit the Route Workflow button. The second validation is kicked in, this time around GL accounts. GL accounts are who is going to pay for this particular item. Now that may not be known by employees. Moving forward, this validation may be removed. By the time of creating this video, GL accounts were required. So I'll enter a GL debit account by using the lookup here, clicking on the items, and then clicking OK, and again hitting Route. Now it's indicating to me that the PR lines must have a cost. Again, moving forward, maybe we're not going to make the employee guess at the cost, but when we recorded this video, we thought it'd be good to have a cost. So we'll make up the cost, say $750. The exact same dollar figure as Trump's tax returns. Again, we'll hit Route. And now you can see it's created the assignments. Workflow is about routing records to users to process the record, eventually approving and completing the record. To view who this workflow has been assigned to, go into Workflow on the left and click View Assignments. We've created test users. This test user is called Test PR02. You can also look at the history and see what processes it went through and view the workflow map to see where it is in the flowchart. See, it's past validation and now it's going to the supervisor. Clicking OK. This concludes our training video on how to create a purchase requisition. See you in the next video.